chainsaw, go to drink my beer. A couple of dozen games of darts 3 or 4 times a year. Sort me nuts and bolts, sharpen up my knife. Escape from the youngsters, the TV and the wife. In me shed, me lovely little shed. Might as well get a Chesterfield, the toilet and the bed. It's the only place where I can go and tinker with me toys. Go and find solitude with a bunch of hungry guys. When the smoke is up the chimney, you signal to the boys. They all invent excuses and they show up like the flies. We stand around discussing the deeper things in life, like the beauty of a piston or the marvels of a trike. In me shed, me lovely little shed. Might as well get a Chesterfield, a toilet and a bed. It's the only place where I can go and tinker with my toys. Go and find solitude with a bunch of ugly guys. There are meaningful activities for men to all enjoy, like the
yeah, wipe it down like you mean it.
Tying up some flies to justify your shed, plank equality in life. You build a coffee table just to satisfy the wife. In the shed, me lovely little shed. Might as well get a Chesterfield, a toilet and a bed. It's the only place where I can go and tinker with my toys. Go and find solitude with a bunch of ugly guys. And I got to say she's beautiful, men will all agree. With her arse to the wood pile she faces out to sea. An oil drum wood stove, a hole for the mouse, and 1,000 little treasures that got banished from the house. In the shed, me lovely little shed. Might as well get a Chesterfield, a toilet and a bed. It's the only place where I can go and tinker with my toys. Go and find solitude with a bunch of ugly guys. Tea break. If the wife ever threatens and forces me to choose between a marriage or the shed, either way I'm going to lose me tools and me buddies, or me wife and our bed. I guess I'll have to leave it all and move to me shed. In me lovely little shed. Might as well get a Chesterfield, a toilet and a bed. It's the only place where I can go and tinker with my toys. Go and find solitude with a bunch of ugly guys.
Hey! A shed is not old, it is wooden and bold, and it's full of the things that we treasure. We often go down for a rummage around, and it always gives us such pleasure. In a shed you can find knobs of all kind, things to poke, things to screw, drill and fill.